In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add memes to your videos in CapCut on PC. If you want to drop in a funny reaction image, a trending photo meme, or any static graphic overlay to make your video more entertaining, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. We'll be using a simple image import workflow inside CapCut, and the nice thing is that it only takes a few quick adjustments to make the meme look intentional and well-timed. To get started, move your mouse to the top left area of the interface and click on the Main Media tab. From there, find your pre-imported meme image in your local asset tray. Once you see it, click and drag that image down to your timeline. Drop it onto track 2, directly above your main video clip. Placing it on the track above your base footage is what makes it behave like an overlay, so it appears on top of your video instead of replacing it. Now that the meme image is on the timeline, the next thing to fix is the timing. Since an image doesn't move on its own, CapCut will display it for as long as the image clip lasts. To control that, hover over the far right edge of the meme image block on track 2. When your cursor is in position, click and hold, then drag that edge horizontally to shorten the clip. For this example, trim it so the image stays on screen for exactly 2 seconds. Keeping a meme short like this usually works best because it creates a quick visual joke without overstaying its welcome. After that, it's time to position the meme so it complements your video instead of covering important content. Click once on the meme image block in the timeline to select it, then move up to the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see a bounding box around the image with blue circular handles at the corners. Click and drag one of those corner handles inward to scale the image down. This helps the meme feel more like a deliberate overlay rather than something that dominates the frame. Once the size looks right, click inside the bounding box and drag the image into a bottom corner of the screen. This is a useful placement because it keeps the center of the frame clear while still making the meme visible to the viewer. It also helps your layout feel cleaner and more balanced. And that's it. You've imported your meme, stacked it above your main clip, adjusted the overlay duration, and positioned it neatly in the corner of the canvas. You're all set. Done.